Answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 15. If a load of 1 kg stretches a cord by 1.2 centimeters, what is the force constant of the cord? A. 866 Newton per meter. B. 833 Newton per meter. C. 769 Newton per meter. D. 667 Newton per meter. And we have acceleration due to gravity as 10 meters per second squared. So this has to do with stretching of a cord, so elasticity. Hence, we'll be making use of Hooke's law. And Hooke's law, of course, is giving us F, which is the force, equal to KE. K being the force constant and E being extension. Now, for this question, we are supposed to look for the force constant, which is K. So if you make K subject to formula, K is equal to F over E. Now, K equal to, now for the force of course will be equal to the mass times acceleration due to gravity. So that is mg over E, which is the extension. So m, mass, is equal to 1, multiply by the acceleration due to gravity, which is 10 meters per second square, over extension. Now the extension is given to us by in centimeters, so we would say to convert to meters we'll divide it by 100. So 1.2 divided by 100. So this is equal to 10 multiplied by 100 over 1.2. Of course, if you do this, multiply 1 by 10, that is 10. So divided by 1.2, okay, over 100. So that is 10 times 100 over 1.2. So that's how we arrived at this. And if you multiply this and divide by this, what you'll get is 833.3, which is approximately 833 Newton per meter. 833 Newton per meter is option B. So that is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.